Good day, ma'am and sir. Our study is entitled Integration of Process Monitoring and Procurement Management System for BAP CALABARZON. The study is aimed to develop a process monitoring and procurement management system in BAP CALABARZON using web platform. With the help of web platform, they can access anytime and anywhere the system with valid credentials. They can prepare a PPMP, PR, and APP on their respective section. The head of procuring entity can monitor the flow of procurement with real-time notification and generate a printed report. We integrate also a descriptive analytics that can help the head of procuring entity for decision making, and it also produces a data visualization. Here are the components that we use to develop the system. We use SAM for server that serve as storage of the data. We use PHP, SQL, HTML5, JavaScript, jQuery library programming language, and Bootstrap library for design. Also, CSS3. For data analytics, we use Google Chart and HighChart for visualization. We use also PHP Storm Editor for development and Say.com for hosting and data management online. This is our system. As you can see, this is the login page. The end user that is responsible in procurement can access this system. The credentials that use is being given by the back in order to protect the data in the system and prevent unwanted access. If somehow you forgot your password, you can change here by clicking the Forgot Password button and input your valid email address. Then, you will receive an email that composes your OTP that is needed to validate. If you are the owner of the account, you will receive the email. Then, we can supply the OTP. We can copy and paste it here. Then verify. Now, verification account is done. We can now input our new password. Our password has been successfully reset. If, for example, you input 3 successive invalid credentials, the account that own the username will notify by system via email that someone is trying to access your account. And the system will auto-lock the account and can be unlocked by requesting in the back, which is the administrator. In this system, we have 4 different types of account. We have end user, administrator, director, and budget account. This is the end user account. As you can see, the user can change their photo and password in this part. In the dashboard, you can see the approved, pending, and disapproved request. You can also see all the purchase request collection. To create PPMP, you need to go to PPMP navigation and select Create PPMP. To see the created PPMP, just select the Office PPMP. To show the APP, just click the APP and select the Office APP to show. If you want to see your budget allocated, you just select Office Allocated Budget. If you want to create a request, you just go to Purchase Request and select Create PR. To manage, just select Manage Request. You can also see the approved request, disapproved request, and for review request. If you want to see all notification, you can see it by clicking this notification button, or the notification that can be seen in the upper top right corner near the photo logo. And this is the end user account. This is the administrator account. Just same the end user, all the operation of end user can do in the administrator account. The difference is the administrator can see the analytics such as purchase request count per section, yearly tender summary, approved request summary, disapproved request summary, request performance report. They can also manage product management, and also they can manage the user. They can add, update information, and they are the control of operation of the procurement. And this is the administrator account. This is the director's account. In this account, the approving of PPMP and PR takes place. You can also see the analytics and all the purchase requested. This is the budget account. This is where the purchase request is being obligated. All the functions of the end user can use in this budget section. So anything that can be obligated and the request of the approving of CAF can be done in this budget section. And this is the budget account. Preparing PPMP. How to create PPMP in the system. First, you need to go to navigation, click PPMP, select create PPMP. In the creation page, you can check the remaining balance. I can back to previous page for the office PPMP. To create PPMP, you need to supply all the necessary information in the creation page. And after you supply all the necessary information in the input box, just click Submit. New PPMP successfully created. To verify, you need to click the procurement project name to show the details. To add product, you need to click the Add Product button and you will be directed to product list. Select the product with just by type search in a search box. Then select and supply the quantity in a target month and press Submit. New product successfully added. You will see your product added to your PPMP in a product table. You can delete and edit. To supply the signatory, just click Signatory and then supply the necessary information in the input box. By default, the approved by and designation is default and the prepared by is default, but you can change it. And click Submit. Then, after supplied the signatories, the PPMP is need approval of the director. To do that, you just click forward. The PPMP is forwarded to the director for approval. Now, you are directed to Office PPMP page. You will see the status that PPMP forwarded to the director for approval. That is how to create a PPMP in a system. How to prepare a purchase request or PR. To prepare a purchase request, you need to approve PPMP. If the PPMP is approved, you can create PR. By creating PR, just go to purchase request, select create PR, and you will direct to create request. You need to supply necessary information, such as purpose, then requested by, then click submit. PR successfully created. Now, you will redirect to PR management. In PR management, you manage your request. This is our created PR. To add product, just click the purchase request tracking ID. Just click the add product and you will direct to add product to request. Then we select the product. Then click add. Now product successfully added to PR. We can print preview and then print. Then back to manage page. So, we need an approval on our request. To do that, just click the forward request button and our PR provided is successful for approval. That's all how to prepare a purchase request. A process monitoring. How monitoring or tracking done in the system? Monitoring is actually ongoing from the start you create a purchase request. The status is the proof of monitoring. All the responsible office needs to update the status of the PR after passing through their office. You can verify it in a dashboard. By selecting the request and click the PR, the tracking information is shown. That is how process monitoring is done. After report. How to print a report of PPMP, purchase request, and APP on a system. So if you want a report of PPMP, just go to your Office PPMP, then click the Excel button. And you will see in the downloads your report. If you want a report of your APP, go to your Office APP, then click the Excel button again. You will see the report in the download button in the download page. And if you want a copy of your purchase request, just go to Manage Request, click the Purchase Request Tracking ID, then Print Preview, then click the Print. Then you will see your purchase request printed report. To verify, just open the file, is the report, next, download, PPMP, click and the PPMP. That is how to create an after report na system. Notification. How notification work in the system? Notification is very important part of the system because notification use the date updated to monitor the process. To access the notification list, you can select the notification in the sidebar navigation by clicking you direct to notification list, or by clicking the notification bell upper right near the logo of the office and click the view. Then you will see a selection details of the notification list. To show the details, just click and show details button. You will direct to for review request. A notification is used by a system to monitor the process, estimated process, and using analytics. This is how notification done in the system. Data analytics. How data analytics work in a system? Data analytics using the system to process the information. So, how to access the analytics in a system? It can be viewed in the administrator account and director's account by accessing it in a side navigation bar by selecting analytics. Then, if you click the analytics, you will show the different types of analytics that you can show the graph, such as purchase request count per section, yearly tender summary, the approved request summary, the disapproved request summary, and the request performance report. Those are the analytics that process in the system, and this is the data analytics works in the system. Product management. Product management is one of the functions of the administrator. How to access the product management? If you are in administrator account, you can access it in this sidebar navigation by selecting product management and product list. You will direct to product list. The product list, you will see all the products that are listed in your product list. You can create a new item and you can supply all the information. Then click submit. You can create a new category and you can see the category list. Administrator only change or update the product list. So how to change it? By clicking the action, the update price button in the action header. So you will direct to product update, and then you can update the unit price. Then click submit. Then go back to product list, and your product unit price is updated. And this is how product management done in a system. User management. User management play an important role in this system. Why? Because without user management, you cannot access in the system. User management managed by the administrator. And the administrator, if you are in administrator account, you can access the user management by going to sidebar navigation by selecting your user management, and under user management, you can click the manage user. You will direct to user list. In the user list, you will see all the user account that is created, encoded in the system, set in inactive, active, and locked. If account is newly created, status set in active. And if you are set by the administrator to active, then the account is active. And if the account is accessed by someone by the 3 invalid attempt, the account is set to lock. Then, how to add user? By clicking this add user button in user list and supply information that is needed, then click submit and back to user list. After that, if you want to update the information of the user, you can click edit. Then you can change the password in edit user account and you can update the photo. You can change anything here, the user account, and click submit to update. Then if someone is locked the account, so you need to click status, the lock is active. And then if the account is inactive, you click the inactive status to set to active. Then this is how the user management works in a system, and the user is given by the back to the end user that is responsible in procurement if they are the designated person to use the system. Thank you.